Hello, second grade. This is Unit 13 in Fundations, which we'll be doing for the next 2 weeks. We're going to start with a little review of our sounds. So if you look at the board, please do your echoing with Mrs. Rhyme as we do them so we can drill a little bit. So let's start with the first one here. We've been doing double vowel teams. So let's start with the first one. Ready? A, I, bait, A. A, Y, play, A. I hope you're saying them alongside me. Go to the next row. E, Jeep, E. A, eat, E. Y, key, E. And then the last ones we did, we had O, I, coin, oi, and O, Y, boy, oi. Well, I'm going to move to give me a second. I'm going to move to a slide that's going to show us our trick words. Now, I'm going to say a number, and if that is your number in your classroom, second grade, whether you're in 2C or 2B, I want you to pretend you are doing the words on the board. So, are you ready? Here we go. All right, if your number is 7, you are going to click on the board. Here we go. And it's not working. Hold on. And you are going to say the word for us. So what is the word today? It is Monday. Monday. Let's do all 3 words and then we'll talk about them so we can see what the words are for this week and then why are they trick words? What's wrong with them? So our next word, here we go. If your number is 15, you're doing the frog. Ready? Say it with us. So 15 is Tuesday. Everybody repeat, Tuesday. And then my last little ducky here, boy, appropriate for the weather, huh? We have, if your number is 21, say the word, please. The word is cousin. Class, repeat, cousin. All right, so let's think about these words. We have Monday. Monday is a trick word because we have, I'm going to try to step in here a little bit, guys. We have the word 2 syllables. So we have Mon-day. Well, my second syllable is AY, which is fine. But my first syllable says M-un, and O doesn't say So there's my trick in my Monday. Now, Tuesday, again, Tuesday. My day is fine. It's the A-I or A-Y, and it says A. But the beginning part, what does it say? What does UE say here? It says oo. Does UE normally say oo? It does not. And the last one up here is cousin. So we have 2 syllables. We have cousin. Well, I'll be glad when you can spell this because you usually spell it with a K and a Z. And that's why it's a trick word. It's C, not K, but it sounds like a K. O-U, which sounds like our but it says and we have an O-U, which doesn't normally say Cuz, we have an S instead of a Z, cuz-in. My in is just fine there. So those are our first 3 trick words that you're going to be practicing today for homework when you do your homework. Let's try the next 3. And again, I'm going to ask you guys to help me if I say your number, you're the one saying it out loud. So here we go. The first one is the frog. If your number is 1, please tell us this word. Here we go. The word is lose. Class, say it with us. Lose. If your number is 8, please reveal the duck and say it for the class. So number 8, here we go. The word is tomorrow. And our last trick word will be the number 23. If your number is 23, please tell us the word under the boot. Here we go. Sorry, Mrs. Rhyme. All right. It is, having a hard time moving this one. Beautiful. Well, we have these 3 new words, and again, we'll try to talk these through. And so the first one we have is the word lose. Do you hear the E at the end? No. But you also don't hear an O. It should say O like vowel consonant E, but it only says oo. So this is really, other than the L and the S, this is a little tricky of one you're going to have to practice. The other one we have is tomorrow. Let's see. Hold up your fingers. How many syllables do you think is in tomorrow? Let's see if you got it right. To-mar-row. So 1, 2, 3. my first syllable, to, wait a minute. That's an open syllable. It should say O. It's not saying O, it's saying oo. To-mar. Doesn't O-R say or? But here it says R. And the end of it says tomorrow. Oh, wait a minute. That one's okay because O-W does say O. So it's tomorrow. And our problems are with the O and the O-R. Our last word here is beautiful. And the way I always remember how to spell it is, it has every vowel in it except O. Look, A, E, I, no O, and U, and it has 2 U's. Now, the trick here is with this E, A, U. We don't usually see 3 vowels together in a word to make a sound. So, this is B, yeah, it stops after the vowel, and the U is the beginning. U, it's an open syllable. T, what is this full at the end? Well, normally this word would be beauty. We've added the suffix full. And when we added the suffix full, our Y changed to I. So if we thought about this word like beauty, then it would make sense, except my Y changed to an I. So this one can be tricky. It's B-U-T full. And it's that B-E-A, U open syllable, to E, again, wrong, because it should be I, but it's an open syllable, but it's that Y. So, beautiful and lose are going to be some of your trickier ones. So, pick wisely tonight what you think you want to do for your homework. Again, you get to pick, just like you always did to pick, for Tuesday. Now, the other thing that we are going to look at is our sound for this week. And let me pull that up now. Our sound for this week is the long O sound. Now I know that you already know some of the long O sounds that we know. Some of the long O sounds that we know are our long O, when it's an open syllable, is our vowel consonant E, when it's a vowel consonant E syllable. But this is going to be our long O sound with, look at this, it's going to be with OA, OE, and OW. So wow, we had O, we had vowel consonant E for long O. Now we're gonna add OA, OE, and OW. So if you look at the first one, you guys know how to echo this with me. Please echo with me. So it's OA, boat, O. OE, toe, O. And OW, snow, O. And we're gonna practice where you're gonna find those in our words next time. But I do want you to look at this last one, OW, look, snow. Do I say plow? No, we know this word is plow. So we're also going to be learning a little bit about this sound. Why does this OW say that owl sound in plow? All right, so we're going to be working on our long O sounds next time. So tonight for homework, you have to pick for Tuesday night, like you normally would for a homework assignment, and pick one thing to do with your trick words since we went over those today. Okay, I hope you enjoyed our lesson and we'll see you again tomorrow.